Everyone, welcome to my channel Indian Bites. Today I'm going to show you the recipe which we Indians have on daily basis, either in lunch or in dinner. Actually, someone requested me to upload those recipes which we Indians have on daily basis. So that's why today I'm going to show you how to make dal tadka. Tadka, it's a tempering of dal in many ways, and today I'm going to show you the one way, and gradually I will show you the different ways in different episodes. So let's start dal tadka. For dal tadka, the things we require: ghee, half cup of tur dal, few spices like 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, which is totally optional, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green chili and 2 cloves of garlic which I have chopped it, coriander. Now next step is we have to pressure cook this dal. Add water and pressure cook for about 3 whistles. Dal is done. Now completely cool down this pressure cooker. The dal is nicely cooked, as you can see. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. And give a nice stir. Just properly mix it. For tempering the dal, we have to pan, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee, melt it, and then when the ghee is heated, we have to add garlics, when the garlic becomes brown, we have to add cumin seeds and red chili powder. Just stir it, and then we'll add this dal. You can add little water if you want. Let the boil comes and then cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Boil has come, but we have to cook the dal for another few minutes. our dal is ready, and now I'm going to garnish it with coriander. Dal tadka is ready. You can enjoy this dal tadka with rice or chapati. Dal tadka is ready. You must try this recipe, and I hope you will like this recipe. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my recipes as much as possible. And thank you for watching this video.